Fetch AI at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a bounce to the upside after we continued to hold above our key area of support above the $1.162, and at the time of this recording we are now getting into our next key area of resistance that lies between the 1.5 and the $1.414. And on today's update video I will be discussing the most significant key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. And starting the video on the daily chart, I still maintain that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulsive movement to the upside in a move that peaked above the 3.479, completing the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. And after we picked in the formation of that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked here on the chart using these blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of that second wave. And in the next coming weeks or maybe days, we are going to continue seeing some impulsive price action to the upside in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $6 mark. Then from that point we can expect a pullback in a wave 4, and then continue pushing higher in the formation of this wave 5, taking us to new all-time highs. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Fetch AI to follow on the long term. Getting to the 4-hour chart to now discuss the short-term price prediction analysis. From the lows we made on the 5th of August, I believe that we have seen an impulsive movement that is a corrective structure to the upside in this ABC corrective structure, having this as the wave A, corrective structure in the formation of this wave B, and finally picked in the formation of this wave C in a move that gave us a high above the $2.2. And after we got that ABC corrective structure to the upside, we started a pullback to the lower side, which was impulsive, where at the time of this recording I believe we have seen the formation of this wave 1, a bounce in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target area highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. Then we saw another impulse to the lower side in the formation of this wave C, fully maximizing the fib ratios 1:1 by connecting the fibs from the high of the wave 1 to the low of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the wave 2, where you can see the fib ratios 1:1 at the 1.1225 has been fully maximized, and there are high chances that whatever is playing out at the moment is a bounce in an Elliott wave count 4, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the wave 2 to the low of this wave 3, giving me a minimum target area for that Elliott wave count 4 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, and that is between the 1.516 and the 1.425, the area that I have marked on the charts using this yellow target area. And this is an area within which I expect to see resistance, so there are high chances that we are going to get into this area over here, get rejected, and see another sell-off to the lower side, giving us the low in the formation of these Elliott wave count 5. And once we bottom out in the formation of these wave 5, we should expect a larger bounce to the upside. We also need to have in mind that in case in the next coming hours we continue seeing higher prices and we manage to break above our key area of resistance between the 1.513 and the 1.428, then that will be suggesting a more bullish case scenario could be unfolding, where we could see the formation of another 5 wave structure to the upside, having this as a wave 1, then a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever is playing out at the moment could be the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3 before we can expect a pullback in a wave 4, and then continue pushing higher in the formation of that Elliott wave count 5. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Fetch AI to follow on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.